Hello and welcome to Introduction to Strategy for Architects and Engineers, an AE Ascend Academy course. We're real excited that you decided to join us for this course, and we hope that you get a lot out of it. The purposes of this series of courses is to build better business acumen for architects and engineers. Because if you can do that, you can communicate more effectively, you can make better business decisions, and ultimately that will help your business be more successful. So here's how this course is going to be structured. First, we're going to talk about strategy. And what is strategy? Often I find that people understand strategic planning because they may have been through that, but they really don't understand what strategy is at its core. So that's the first thing we're going to talk about. Then we're going to talk about competitive advantage and how that drives your strategy and how you can achieve that as an architecture or engineering firm. Then we're going to talk about culture and how incredibly important culture is for most architecture and engineering firms and their strategies and how those tie together. Then we're going to talk about how strategy is developed and how it's planned, and about how that is really all about making strategic choices. And we'll talk about what those strategic choices are and how you make them. Then we'll talk about strategic management systems and how important they are to really ensure the success of your strategy and the execution of it. Then we're going to talk about some typical challenges that come up in a typical strategic planning process and how if you approach the planning process a little bit differently, you can overcome these challenges and ultimately help your planning be more effective. Now, I'm real excited to go ahead and get it started on this course, and I hope that you are too. Let's go ahead and dive in.